Getting to remove a full open-air beehive is so exciting. But I need to stay focused on clearing out all the branches and moss.
How's it looking?
It looks amazing. I'm gonna pull some of this moss away. I have a lot of them on me already. I haven't even dug into the hive.
All right, if you need me to move the bucket, just give me, you know.
Give you like hand signals?
Something like, you know, like this.
Like,
yeah.
got it.
Is it all, the moss all in your face and everything?
Yes, it's everywhere. It's mossy. This hive has been here so long. There's branches and moss growing in the way. I've got to cut all this back just to get to the hive. I think I cut away enough.
All right, hold on, I'll go lower you.
Okay, I'm ready. Ooh, we're coming down fast.
How was it?
Amazing. It's big. It's
big.
just like we thought, yes.
Yeah. How was I on the controls?
We could tighten up a little bit at the top.
You could tell me like up, down.
You didn't see my signals. Okay, the moss and branches are removed. It's time to go to work. It's like I don't even know where to start. It's such a masterpiece. Feel bad breaking into it. It's so beautiful.
What a cool spot for a hive.
Oh my gosh, it almost fell. Wow. There's a little bit of honey on here. It's dripping. I'm just gonna start placing it in this crate. I think you should be aware that I could drop a piece. If that happens, you need to run.
Don't drop any.
I don't plan on it, but some of it's heavy at the top from the honey. The last thing I want to do is drop a cluster of angry bees on Derek. Or do I? Wow, it's really heavy. Oh my God, it's so heavy.
Just take it off a little bit at a time.
This is a 5-pound piece. I'm just in shock that this was hanging from a tree. To see a beehive out in the open like this is really rare. These bees probably couldn't find a cavity to make a home out of, so out of desperation, they just ended up right here. Usually, honeybees are cavity dwellers. They want to be inside a dark, cool, dry location, not on the outside exposed where other bees and insects can come and take their resources. All right, I'm gonna carefully put this into the crate without breaking it. I don't even know where to grab. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm getting stung. Each of these combs are full of honey, but that doesn't mean that there's a queen. All I see on this huge slat of comb is pollen and honey. No baby bees, no eggs, no brood means no queen. If there isn't a queen, this hive is doomed.
Alicia, how's it going?
I don't see any brood.
Not even any eggs.
Nothing.
That's not good.
I'm pretty convinced that this colony is queenless.